Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the Yoton now. Plug the 3M cable into a grounded outlet and press the power button. Once it boots, place the projector 5 to 3. 5 meters from the screen so the image roughly fills the frame. Then, connect your laptop or media player using HDMI or USB-C and switch the projector input to that port. Make sure you can see the projected image before moving on. If the image is absent, recheck the cable and input selection. Once the image appears, focus using the front focus ring. You want sharp edges and readable text. Next, correct trapezoid distortion with keystones sparingly because it can soften the picture. Instead, move the unit to improve alignment. Open the Settings menu and set resolution to the projector's native option, choose the appropriate color mode, and reduce brightness if the room is dim. Finally, confirm audio routing. Select HDMI audio or the 3.5mm jack so sound syncs with picture. You finish by saving your configuration as a profile and running a full-length clip to verify stability, heat levels, and fan behavior. If it warms up too much, lower brightness, ensure at least 10 cm clearance around vents, and clean the intake filter. This prevents thermal throttling. If there's no image, cycle through inputs, swap the HDMI cable, and reboot both the projector and source device. If you still fail, reset settings to factory and repeat the input selection process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.